All right, so I need to pull these things out. Look how thick this is here. Pretty thick. Let me see how many frames I have in here. It should be 10, but it might be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. I'm gonna pull these VarroxSan strips out. I'm gonna start off with the bottom one. Not bad, not bad. Little smoke. These are Caucasian, are likely Caucasian queens. I don't know, it may be ones I got from Tracy. But if they're Caucasian, they break down their size of their hive pretty quick. So I'm just pulling these VarroxSan strips out. So I feel like most of the brood is going to be here and right above it on this box. See, it's kind of stuck on this frame here on this side. So if I can pull it off, look at that. Not too bad, not too bad. Give it a little bit of smoke. Don't need a ton. You can see how this stuff kind of sticks. A big portion of that just fell down into the bottom. I'm not chasing it down. These bees can clean that up down there. I imagine the material, the acid on there is probably pretty much inert by now. It's been longer than 50 or 60 days. Alright, well, see if I can. So, this is not so bad. When I first was doing this, I was getting irritated. I think the key is to kind of break it away